Hey, my guys, how are they? And my people, my farm, how are they? I just want to respond to this statement by different members of the Lagos State House of Assembly that's been making the rounds online today, and they're accusing they've insulted us in so all the expletives they can fathom. They've insulted the movement, they've insulted the protesters, they've insulted the youth, they've insulted celebrities, they've insulted everybody that was involved in that movement. They said we celebrities are the ones aggravating the protest, that by feeding the protesters that we aggravated the protest, because everybody is hungry. So by giving them food, we're keeping them on the street. Who has been exploiting hunger in this country, if not you politicians? Who waits every 4 years to exploit the hunger in the land? In the first place, who even created that hunger in the land? Is it not you people? Imagine ordinary palliatives that were given, that were supposed to have been, all those palliatives should have finished during Corona period. They should have finished. Now people are discovering palliatives up, and I'm not supporting anybody looting. I hate looters. All those people that looted, so if I hate them with a passion, and I will never support that. I hate them. I don't even have to know anybody whose shop was looted. I don't have to know the fact that people who gathered money. I heard the last time that this thing happened, a woman just went to borrow money to stock her shop, and they looted that. And I don't even know what the condition of that woman is right now. Do you know how many people would have committed suicide because of this action? You people are armed robbers. You are thieves. If you go about looting, you understand, vandalizing and everything, you are armed robbers. There's no other name for it. There's no name for it. But for these politicians to be associating looters with peaceful protesters, when I get brain touch, when I head no correct. We're not stupid. They say all this when they talk and are rubbish. We not be talk. I'm not even going to waste time analyzing what people say because it is bullshit. Talking about they are not respecting elders, they are cursing elders. Koni ragba fún elder aye elder ma bàjẹ́ ni. Aye elder ma bàjẹ́ ni. Elder where they spoil the life of the younger generation, where they thief the legacy of the younger generation, where they destroy the future of the younger generation, while they are feathering their own nest, taking their own children abroad. You are saying they no cause. Who them for cause? Who them for cause? If not them, thunder fire una, Ogun go kill all of una. Who them for cause? You're not saying they are cursing, they can the language. Are you guys mad? Are you mad? Is that what you're talking about? Who ordered the Lekki shooting? Who sent the soldiers to Lekki toll gate? That is what we want to hear from you people. From the so-called Mr. President, who came out to speak, to everybody, every other fucking politician that has spoken. Have any of you addressed that? Did the soldiers fall from the sky? I don't understand. Was it Doctor Who's time machine that was used to bring them in? They just appeared from nowhere. At least thank God you people admit that soldiers were there at the toll gate. Thank God do not admit that one. Even though now they talk say they no kill anybody, they no shoot, na Photoshop, na one thing DJ switch. When I talk say na Photoshop she do. Say she they do live video and she hey God of Israel now. Una know they see people advise una. Una know they see people advise una. Una don't talk everything when I want to talk about them, but at least thank God you people did not deny that soldiers were at the toll gate. None of you have denied that so far because you cannot. There is empirical evidence to that effect. Video evidence, picture. So who sent soldiers go there? If una don't even admit say people die. If una don't they admit say they should, but who sent soldiers go toll gate? That is what we want to know. Yes, there have been a lot of fake news online and I've spoken seriously against that. You understand? About people spreading fake news, but fake news did not start today. It was not this movement that started fake news. It was not this movement that started fake news. People trolling people, and that is synonymous with social media all over the world. It's not peculiar to Nigeria. So don't even start bringing fake news and everything and try to use it to discredit this movement because it didn't start with this movement. Excuse me. Yes, people were using fake news and everything. I saw even when BBC had to withdraw a story they did on this whole movement. I feel very sad about that. I feel, and people that spread fake news too. Honestly, I tell them that people that spread fake news, they're not go heaven. No. People that specialize in spreading fake news, Ogun go kill them too. Looters, people will go loot shops or people go deprive them of their livelihood. They are nothing but armed robbers. Armed robbers. But now, in a matter of how many hours or how many days, you people are able to like catch looters. Or people that you say are looters, you're able to catch them. How come you don't use the same technology? They said that the free said something, say one kind of ping technology. That's what they used to catch the looters. How come you not use this ping technology catch una people with the thief our money since? But when people can't go thief palliative, go thief further, now I know say yes, one thing they where they call ping thunder fire all over for there. They're saying they went to vandalize the palace of the Oba of Lagos, one thing. You see, we know that most of these things are politically motivated. Let's not deceive. Maybe the truth is coming out now. A Lagos chief, I think it was a Lagos chief, came online and was revealing secrets about all these things. Don't link it with the protest. Don't link it with the protest. The vandalization of the palace of the Oba of Lagos has nothing to do with the NSAS protest. Don't link it. We are not foolish. We are not stupid. Don't link it. We will not buy it. Don't link it. Don't link it. Who sends soldiers go like it okay? That's what we want to know. We will keep. We will not stop. You will not intimidate. You cannot intimidate us. I, David Babafemi Mountain Brand, Jaguar, Shalvedeland, Bashorun of Ilugu North. I will not be intimidated by Una too small. Who na be? Are you feeding me? Who the hell are you? Are you feeding me? I will not and I cannot be intimidated by anybody. If you like, insult celebrities, accuse celebrities more than that. Now celebrities, they aggravate the protest. Now celebrities, they incite people. Now you sabi. As long as I know that what I'm saying is the truth, you cannot intimidate me. I will keep saying it. Who sent soldiers go Lekki Gate? That's what we want to know. That's what we want to know. Yeah, they vandalized Palace of the Oba of Lagos. I am the Jaguar Shah, which means the defender of culture. So I will never support anybody, vandalizing anything that has to do with our traditional institution. But the case of the Palace of the Oba of Lagos is politically motivated. A Lagos chief came online and was exposing all that. So we know it. So it has nothing to do with people abusing tradition. Forget it. We're not going to buy that shit. Don't bring it into this. Don't bring it into this. We know the games you people are playing. We know the look. You can't fool us. Bob Marley talker, you can fool some people sometime, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Exodus. Yes, this is the movement of Jah people. This is the movement. Now Exodus they happen, so una no fit stop am. Una no fit stop am. So all these distracting methods that people are using is not going to work. Lagos is out of assembly. All those people that spoke today, una brain dey inside una nyash. You're all idiots. You're all fools. You're all idiots. You're all fools. If you're talking about, say, small children are insulting you, they are cursing, okay, at least me, I'm not a small child. So I'm sure I'm older than a lot of you in that house of assembly. You are all going to bale, only eat down. And shuri. Una the Chris. I be me to be children. I know fit me to I be children. I know fit cause. I don't be I be old man, 50 years old, by the grace of God. I'm older than quite a number of you in the house of assembly, so I can curse and insult you. You are only eating down. You are all fools. You are all fools. You are supporting your godfathers and your whatever. What else do we expect you to see? We are not surprised. We know whose song you are singing. We know whose script you are reading. We know. We are not surprised. The only thing we want to hear is who sent soldiers to Lekki Gate. Thank God you people did not deny that soldiers went there. None of you could deny that soldiers went there. So as long as you have admitted that yes, soldiers were there, who sent them there? That is what we want to know first. Who sent them there? I want fofun gbemu. Òpònú ayé rada dédé. Àwọn aláyé bàjẹ́ rádaràdán. Òṣìrata má rayò àbí báwọn náà ṣe ń sọ. Useless, nonsensical entities, idiotic umbilicals with no nationality. Thunder fire, we're going to kill all of una. Idiot. Una just start, una never know what una enter. Una just start. And all of una we speak, we don't see una, no problem. Chebi elections they come, we don't get our PVC. we're waiting for you. Una never know waiting don't hit you now. Eti get on, una don't chop and finish. Kware geskia, shege then iska kawa.